Hi, I'm Mike Salvaggio, co-founder of Delaware Homes Real Estate. You know, you have a lot of choices out there when it comes to realtors. And the ones you should pick are the ones that have the highest points of difference that benefit you and your family, either as a buyer or a seller. So in the next 3 minutes and 90 seconds, you're going to see some points of difference that no one that I'm aware of offers in real estate. So I hope you enjoy it. Hope you work with us. We'll do a great job. And remember, our goal is to exceed your expectation.
The Delaware Homes Advantage program. Delaware Homes Real Estate is proud to announce our new Home Advantage program. This is available to all customers of Delaware Homes Real Estate. We go the extra mile for our buyers and sellers. 7 of our Home Advantage program features are: 1. For buyers and sellers, a complimentary house cleaning or service call. You choose the date. Many of our customers like to schedule it before closing, after all furniture is gone. 2. For buyers and sellers, 2-hour service call. Our service person will provide up to 2 hours of services such as painting, flower bed updating, pruning, moving items, packing, etc. Additional services are available upon request. 3. For sellers, an in-home visit before listing by a Delaware Homes agent. Your Delaware Homes agent will do a room-by-room walkthrough with you before you list your home to suggest what might need to be done, and sometimes, what you do not need to do. All suggestions are made to earn you the best return for your efforts in preparing to go on the market. Staging advice is included. In addition, you will receive our free home sellers, moving guide, or buyer's guide to help you through the process. This guide has many time and money-saving tips to help you with your move. We will also provide you with market information to help you select the best asking price for your property. 4. For sellers, trailer to remove unwanted items and trash. Time to get rid of all that extra stuff? We can help you. Here is how it works. We park the trailer in your driveway on a Friday, you load it over the weekend, and we take it away on a Monday. Just toss in any unneeded items, and we take it from there. Optional help to load is available. 5. For sellers, weekly market updates. Surveys show us that one of all sellers' most requested need is for regular communication. We also believe that is important. So, we always stay in touch with feedback from all showings and update data on market changes. 6. For sellers, property promotion on Bright Multiple Listing Service. Your property is marketed to an area of 40,000 square miles and 20 million customers, including Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Washington, D.C., and West Virginia. And of course, it is also marketed on Realtor.com, Zillow, Trulia, and many more sites. 7. For buyers, help with your offer. Our agents are expert negotiators. Ultimately, our goal is to create an offer that is fair and equitable, and that reflects the true value of the property in question. With the right information and our negotiation skills, buyers can increase their chances of getting the home they hope to own at a price that works. We are good at getting you home. And there is no fee to buyers. None. Delaware Homes Real Estate has been marketing real estate in Delaware since 2007, servicing thousands of home buyers and sellers. Some of our agents have been in the business over 40 years and have served as real estate instructors and one as a national president of the Residential Real Estate Council of the National Association of Realtors. We know the business of real estate marketing. We know Delaware. For more information, feel free to contact us. Our main office number for Delaware Homes Real Estate is 302-378-9510. Offices in Townsend, Delaware, and Wilmington, Delaware. You will be pleased with the Delaware Homes Advantage program.
That's our short explanation. I think it says it all. We'd like to have the opportunity to exceed your expectations, and we do a great job at it. Our listing agreements are 24 hours. If you're not happy with us or for some reason we can't agree on something, we agree to shake hands. Never had to do it. So we're here for you. Come to our website, www.yourdehome.com, because we are Delaware. We are Delaware Homes, exceeding your expectations. Thanks for watching.